Welcome to Marketing Blocks AI. In this short video, I will show you how to create marketing assets for your business and your clients in minutes using artificial intelligence. Let's say you own a plumbing company as an example, or you have a client who owns a plumbing company. We'll call it KB Plumbers. Now create a project and enter a description or keyword. In this example, plumbing service. This is all AI requires to generate marketing assets for you. Content and copy, landing pages, designs, logos, banners, and business cards, promo videos, documents to write anything, blogs, books, case studies, business plans, social posts, and even online courses, voiceovers, stock media, emails, arts, and more AI tools. Now let's go through each of them right now. Designs. AI will generate bulk banners for any business in any niche, all preloaded with relevant images and copy. This was generated from the keyword plumbing service. Edit your designs to perfection using our drag and drop editor to create unique designs that stand out in a flash. Use your own media or choose from our library of over 10 million stock images, illustrations, icons, objects, people, or transparent backgrounds, and more. Boost authority with professional logos created by the AI logo designer. Wow, your customers with professional business cards created by the AI business card designer. Okay, landing pages. AI also creates pages for you in seconds. AI created this page from just a keyword, again, plumbing service. AI designed the layout, AI wrote the copy, you can instruct AI to rewrite any of the sections, AI searched for the relevant media like this background image, AI combined everything to create this page. Now our professional designers created done-for-you sections on the canvas that helps with high conversions. Use our drag and drop landing page builder to develop multiple ideas, move around some blocks, and watch in awe as AI brings your concept to life. Use your own media, choose from our library, or turn any text prompt into an image using the inbuilt AI arts. Add an opt-in form directly or through a two-step pop-up to build your list. One-click connection to your favorite autoresponder or marketing automation apps. Full e-commerce integration allows you to sell products and get paid. Import and redesign any landing page in seconds using AI. Build customizable forms in a few clicks. Beautiful exit pop-ups to get visitors to stay. Inbuilt timers to create urgency. Connect your custom domains to build a trustworthy brand. Animations to capture attention, secured and fast hosting on our Amazon cloud for free, or export and host on your own server. Okay, now AI documents. Use AI documents to write anything. Blogs, book chapters, lead magnets, case studies, VSLs, that's of course video sales letters, sales copy, business plans, courses, songs, love letters, white papers, and even academic articles. Deploy workflows to generate high-quality content 100 times faster. Watch me generate a 2,000-word blog post in seconds using the Blog Post Wizard. All right, now marketing copy. Our AI has been trained to write over 100 different categories of marketing copy and frameworks. The AI writes 100% original copy that you could use in your business. Unlike other tools in the market, MarketingBlocks uses real artificial intelligence and not fill-in-the-blank templates. You have total control over your copy. You could set the tone of your copy and even translate it into over 100 languages in just one click. The AI uses the most advanced natural language processing model and has been trained using more than 400 billion data feeds. It's smart and can write high-quality copy for any industry or niche. How about promotional videos? AI also writes a video script, searches for relevant background media, and combines them to create promotional videos for your business. With the editor, you can effortlessly edit each scene, change the text, background media, and background music. Use your own media or choose from our library of millions of royalty-free stock videos and images. Add background music and render either as a rectangle, square, or story-style videos that you could use to get more traffic, leads, and sales for your business. Voiceovers. Now, AI creates real human voiceovers for you. The AI writes a script to sell your services. Easily edit or let AI rewrite the script. All you have to do now is choose one of the professional voiceover artists and convert the script to real human voiceover using the most natural-sounding text-to-speech technology. AI Background Remover allows you to remove the background from an image with just one. AI Email Writer writes emails to sell your product. The AI Stock Explorer finds the best suited stock images for your project. Even more AI tools for paid subscribers. AI Image Cleaner, erase any unwanted object, defect, people, watermark, or text from your pictures in seconds. That's right. AI Image Colorizer, instantly colorize black and white photos. AI Image Animator, animate boring photos and bring them to life. Art Blocks, turn any text into beautiful images and art in seconds using AI. AI Content Briefs. Let AI help you outline and write the perfect article that will rank on search engines and bring you free traffic. This software is the fastest and easiest way to create marketing assets for you and your clients without shelling out big bucks on multiple marketing apps or expensive freelancers. Right now, there is no software in the world that does all that MarketingBlocks can do at any price. It's true. And the best part, the free commercial license that's included turns this into a money-making machine for you because you can easily sell these marketing assets to clients across the globe and get paid for something that's 100% automated and done by artificial intelligence. Welcome to the future of marketing.